Hey, it's Joel. I'm here at the Bay Area Maker Faire, thanks to Matter Hackers, and I'm next to Daft Punk. Oh wait, this isn't Daft Punk. This is Estefannie.
Hi.
I almost couldn't recognize you with that sweet helmet on.
Yeah, thank you. I am Daft Punk.
I would like you to talk about this helmet, though. This is amazing, and it seems perfect for Maker Faire. I see 3D printed parts. I see electronics. Let's dive right in.
Sure. I 3D printed the whole helmet. Then I bondoed, sanded. I vacuum formed the visor, and the electronic side I used Dragon board, and then the sensor board for like the Arduino side. And I have a battery, 12-volt batteries, all the addressable LEDs in the front. And yeah, that's it. And I also can trigger with my voice. So I have several modes of the lights. And then my favorite one is the voice activated one. So let me just get it. Yeah. So that's why I have a dangling microphone here. And yeah, that you can see the lights going up and down with my voice. Well, yeah.
Wait, let me give it a go. Ready? Hello, Maker Faire. Hey, that's cool.
Thank you.
I mean, you could wear this at a concert or some sort of event and actually have the music and actually powering the lights.
Absolutely. Yeah, actually some of the modes, this is more for a bass or I have treble too, so it depends on the music too. Yeah, that it changes the colors.
That's so cool.
Thank you.
What's your background? How do you go from, well, what do you do and how do you get to this from what you do?
Okay, I'm actually a software engineer by day and a YouTuber by night, I guess. So
Can you say, do you work on a major project or a major company, or can you say?
I do actually. We're automating drilling rigs. So that's what I do during the day. Yeah.
And it leads right, I mean, you wear this obviously when you're automating drilling rigs, right?
Yeah, yes. I mean, this is how you drill. This is exactly how you drill. Yeah, so I do that, and then at night I like making my own projects like this. So yeah.
You've done 3D printing, right? So how much of the helmet is 3D printed?
All of it except for the visor. And actually, the visor, I had to 3D print the visor to be able to create a mold to vacuum form it.
So even though the visor wasn't 3D printed, the 3D printed mold is what contributed to the shape of the visor that you used vacuum forming for?
That's exactly correct, yes. So the whole helmet was 3D printed at the beginning.
What got you into the electronics part? Because like you said, a Dragon board and Arduino addressable LEDs.
Yeah.
How did you go from software development and automating drilling rigs to programming this? Is it a natural progression?
I don't think it's a natural progression. It was more of a finding out, like I played with an Arduino one day and I loved it and I was like, this is so easy. And it wasn't that easy at the end, but like I'm learning as I go and I like sharing it, and yeah, I like all the software developers to find out that we can do this too. Yeah, I'm an electrical engineer wannabe, I guess. Yeah.
Well, it really shows off in your work. I think the detail is amazing, and I like how on the outside it looks refined and polished, but on the inside you can tell that you are definitely quite a tinkerer with the way, I mean, ample use of hot glue, which I think is really best in this situation. What's next for this helmet and for you? Are you going to create more parts? Is there anything that you need to fix or update?
Yes, I need to polish it. I did have some problems with the visor and bubble wrap at the plane.
Oh, I thought that was actually part of the visor, but it looks okay. Hey, that's a neat effect. Maybe
Yeah.
that's a cool maker video right there.
Now we know how to do a pattern, bubble wrap. Yeah, I want to polish it and then definitely calibrate more of the sound parts of it and also add more modes to it. I wanted to control it with my phone actually because this board has Wi-Fi. I was like, oh, I could just control it with my phone and have people change it for me. That was the main idea. But maybe for the next Maker Faire in New York, maybe I'll be able to finish it and bring it over. That would be the next step for this helmet.
Okay, well, I hope to see you there.
Yeah.
If people want to find out more about this project or see a lot of the stuff that you've done, is there anywhere they can go to find out about you?
Yes. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all over the internet. Estefannie Explains It All.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll get a link from you. I'll make
Okay,
sure to put it in
yeah.
the description, because I remember at first I said Stephanie, and you're like, no, Estefannie, right?
Yeah, Stephanie. Yeah.
Well, thanks for spending some time with me. I appreciate that, and thanks for letting me see this.
Thank you.
I don't think it'll fit my head, but glad we got to see it on. Hey, happy Maker Faire.
Happy Maker Faire. Thank you so much.
See you around.
See you around.
Do you want to say something to Sean while he's editing?
Hey Sean, how's it going? How's the editing going? Are you tired of hearing our voices? How great is it to hear our voices?
It must be great.
It's great.
It's so great.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna dream about this.
Sean's the luckiest person right now.
Yes, he is. He totally is.
This is Sean Connolly getting B-roll of the Daft Punk helmet that Estefannie built with electronics and 3D printing. See, when he edits, all this audio comes in. All this.
Yeah, he gets a little animated sometimes.
Yeah, that's
Sometimes.
Oh, my hand is in it. Here.
That's okay.
That's all right.
It's okay.
It's your hand.
It's your hand.
It's okay.
Okay.